Hello, Chef here, and today we're talking about ginger and the benefits of ginger root. Ginger root, first of all, comes from the rainforest. That's really, really good. It's good for you. It has a lot of different properties, and this piece of ginger root is looking good. You can peel it. You can choose not to peel it, your choice. Slice it thin, mince it, dice it, chop it, tea, marinades, whatever. Check this out. I'm just going to smash it today. I'm going to use this in a marinade. Okay, this will be a very unusual marinade here. I've got my fresh ginger. Putting this in a mixing bowl. Okay. I've got some sea salt. Yeah. Fresh ground black pepper. Rosemary once again. Like the fresh herbs. Yeah. Looking good. Got the rosemary in there. Okay. And this marinade is going to be a little different, something you haven't seen before. Some extra virgin olive oil going in there. Okay. Brown sugar, just a touch, like this. Okay. And to switch it up just a little bit, something unusual and different that will complement my marinade quite well. We're going to put a little bit of cocoa powder. Yeah. All right. One last thing I like is a little bit of spice with this marinade here. So we're going to put a little bit of New Mexico chili powder. Okay. The last thing I'm going to put in there, well, two things. We've got this beautiful Meyer lemon that's going in there. And the Meyer lemon just gets cut in half. Beautiful lemon, look at that. And once you cut it in half, you just juice it, okay? And when you're doing marinades, it's a good idea, put the whole thing. Yeah, skin and all. This whole thing is gonna add a lot of flavor. It goes right in there. Okay, we're gonna put some water in here. And then this marinade, you're wondering, well, what is this marinade? Well, this marinade is going to be used for some amazing beef, and I'll be back with that later. But the main flavor here, believe it or not, ginger is going to come through all the rest of these spices and flavorings here. So this will be used with beef a little later. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hello, Chef here. So once again, I'm preparing some beef and I'm making some roulades. If you watch the other videos recently, then you've already seen the marinade. So the marinade's right here. Check the other videos and you can see the ingredients I've got in there. So as usual, I'm keeping these knives sharp, really sharp. Oh yeah, just takes a few strokes like this, okay? And, well, it's time to cut the beef. So this beef is pretty nice. This is choice beef, and I really like the marbling of it. Before I cut it, I'm going to tenderize it with this jacquard just a little bit because I want the marinade to penetrate. So I'm just going to give it... So those are my slices right there. Once again, Thor's hammer comes into play here. It's a good idea to give these a little tap, flatten them out a little bit. Okay, stainless steel pan. Marinade goes in. Adding a little bit more water. And one of the things I like to put in marinade sometimes is a fine red wine, just a touch. A little bit of acidity, that's what you're looking for there. Okay, so this is the marinade, it's looking good. Meat goes in, and then once the meat all gets coated like this, We'll wait a few hours, refrigerated, and then we're gonna come back and stuff this meat. For this marinated beef recipe, we'll be using a lot of whole garlic, sweet red pepper, pound of bacon. Okay, and here's some of the finished roulades, ready to go in the oven. We're gonna roast these at 375 Fahrenheit, reserving the marinade for later use. Ah, yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Good. Of course, this dish needs some of the natural juices, which once again was the marinade we started with. So we're just going to put a little of these juices right around like this. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Completed this presentation here of the beef roulades, pineapple and rice. Yeah. If you want to score one of these, visit the sponsor. Cheers. This is Edge Grain Rock Maple. And moving right along here, this one here is End Grain Rock Maple. They're both really, really nice. And you can select these based upon size, thickness, dimensions, weight, movability, finger handles, big heavy block, not going anywhere. So check it out, support your sponsor right there. Have a wonderful day.